So guys, today is on Wednesday. I'm continuing with my vlog. The rain stopped finally, and right now I'm about to serve the lunch. I've already served it. We are about to take it. So in case I have other activities for today, I'll show you. And today we are having Kenyan cuisine, mudokoi, and some strong tea here in the village. So let's go and have it. So this is what we are having. I've served three, one for my baby, the other one for my mom, and the other one is for me. And this is what we are having for lunch. Yeah, I hope you can see it.
Kutakuwa na cake. Kama tajezaji.
So guys, I've stayed in the house for too long, like the whole day, and today it's kind of boring, and I've decided why not go to the shop and just buy something, some snacks for my babies and I. So I've decided to go to the shop, a nearby shop, and the sun is against the direction that I am, but let me try to turn. We are going to buy some biscuits with Bella and Naila on my back. We're going to buy some biscuits and then come back. I feel like staying at home alone is kind of depressing, so I've just decided to go out a little bit and then come back. Natembea pole pole. Mtoto anasema aje? Anaongea tu. Hujasikia kitu yenye amesema? Si anakuambia uharakishe. Salimia kamera basi. Si useme hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel.
Ebu rudia.
Welcome to my channel. Ivini waka. Subscribe.
That's my baby. She's been hearing what I've been saying. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Ivini here guys. Subscribe. Mama kujua uambiwa subscribe. Subscribe. Meambiwa msubscribe guys. Subscribe. Hajafungua. Tutafanya aje? Na mimi nataka kukula biscuit. Tutafanya. Huko ni mbali. Huko ni mbali sana. Harakisha mama. Hata huku ni mbali. Sasa sasa hata mimi sijui tutazifanyia aje mama, sababu tukipata wamefunga saa tutadu. Wangalia usiteleze hapa, mtu anaangukanga. Pita pole pole. Haya, usikanyage huko, kuna matope. Pitia huku juu na utembee tu pole pole. Hapa hivyo pengine. Upitie tu mahali mimi nimepitia. Huwezi beba zote, leta zingine nikusaidie. Hii. Hizi zingine utabeba. Twende basi. Unaogopa? Ile hivyo. Msa.
Unaona hiyo kitu mtu anaiogopa kitu moja. Lakini tulikataa kwenda nje. Ingine mama. Kwa nani?
Hapa.
Huko. Alafu kwenda kwa shule tunaendanga na hiyo kitu. Sasa kunaendanga na hiyo kitu ingine.
Sawa basi. Ituharakishe basi.
Sasa kitotele.
Asifika na sisi ndio tuko na kifungu.
Ya biskuti. Ya biskuti ingine kwa hapo chini yako. Ya nani?
Chini ya nani?
Ya shusho. Uko nyumbani kwa Mungu.
So guys, we just from the shop and acha tufike kwanza. I saw a mushroom and I wanna show my baby a mushroom.
Mushroom nini?
Mushroom hii. Hii yenye inakaa mavuli. Inaitwa mushroom.
Ya kufanyaje?
Inapikangwa lakini sio hii. Lakini inafanana hivyo. Twende home. Ya kupika kama mboga. Inaitwa?
Washroom.
Inaitwa?
Washroom.
Sio washroom, ni mushroom.
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 Mushroom ya kupika.
Twende. Umejua mushroom sasa?
Ya kupika chakula.
Mboga.
Mboga.
Inaitwa?
Washroom.
Inaitwa?
Washroom. Washroom.
Sio washroom, ni mushroom. Mushroom. Sema mash.
Mash.
Room.
Room.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Utasahau? Haya. Sun is beautiful. And today's si mnaona niliosha nguo man. Sikurecord though. Pia mimi nitakula tuwili. Chakanya usikane chakula kambi.
Nakula hivyo kama nikakeka.
Tamu. Guys, nimewasha jiko and it's sunset already and nataka nipike niende nioge right now. Maji ugali kichemka, then I'll be making supper and yeah, that's the program. Nazona jiko yangu imewaka. Nini mama?
Nataka kiangalie.
Shika hizi urudisha sasa.
Baridi.
Sijarekodi hiyo. Ilikuwa inasemwa hivyo kweli? Sitaki noma. Si noma ni noma tu. So I'm clean now. I'll be wearing my pajamas, then take supper, then watch some series, then sleep. Tunza mumeo, nayo thamani. Can be there for you, was it there for me? Wema wangu ulinisaliti. Did he ever really love me? Neema, sina nguvu yako, taking me for granted. Wadhani siwezi bobea. Neema, sina nguvu yako, hakuna wema kwako. Tutasonga mbele bila wewe, sina neema. Tutasonga mbele bila wewe, sina neema. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning and Thursday is here. Good morning, guys. I've just woken up right now, too early. It's 6:10 a.m. and today I'll be doing my hair and remove these knots. I'll be doing a super hair relaxer. So let's see how it goes. Guys, this is what I'll be applying on my hair. Yeah, this one. So let's see how it goes. Mekebe ya. So guys, I'm done doing my hair. As you can see, nilikuwa naeka dawa and I'm done. So right now, I'll be preparing some breakfast and then we'll catch up. My phone is going off na hakuna stima, so we'll catch up later. Bye. So guys, here it is. I finally did my hair and iko straight. Ilikuwa inachanika inakuwa imeshikana kabisa, but finally naweza chana, and then I did the knots so that isishikane shikane tena, but my hair looks clean and cute. I washed it. Yeah, that's it basically. Is we're going to a shop to buy tissue ndio tumeendea, so going to another shop, sio yenye tulikuwa jana, it's another one. Tuende tukabuy tissue and yeah, we are two here. So nipatia kama buyu kamoja mama. Omba omba tabia mbaya. Hapa tutapitia wapi jamii? Ngoja nipite wa kwanza ndio uone mahali utapitia. Pitia nyuma yangu. Nakwambia kuja upitie nyuma yangu, unapitia kwa ona sasa Bella. Si ungepitia tu hapa nyuma. Twende tu. Nakwambia ukae nyuma yangu Bella, utaanguka. Tunapika ugali ni ukweli.
Sasa tunapiga ugali na
si kupika. Tunapika. Haya, matumbe inaitwa aje na kizungu? Eggs.
Eggs.
Na ugali kizungu inaitwa? Kao kaboto ko. Yellow negate ninge na dimonda wonte. Guys, I'm up to showing you my kitchen garden. I was trying out some few plants, so that I might do a whole kitchen garden. So let's see just the few plants that I've grown, how they are doing. I tried out these 4 gunias. Here I was planting some pilipili hoho, aiko grow, and then some kundes, and they are ready, and some kitunguu saumu. I was trying it out. This kitunguu saumu, I was trying it out, and you can see guys, my plants are doing so well. So I'm planning kuhamisha these things and do some more and variety, nyanya, hoho, pilipili, all those things. So I can see the progress. Iko tu sawa. So guys, I'm sure you're so curious about what I'm unboxing today, and I was just at home and my mom bought me a church dress, and she bought it like last Saturday, but one. And then I've never worn it, so I was trying to figure out what to pair it with. Si mnajua kubaiwa nguo, it's a bit difficult because maybe it's not your taste, but it is my taste and I loved it. And I've been spending my time trying to figure out what I'm gonna pair it with. And guess what? I got what to pair it with. So this is the skirt. Looks this way. I removed it from its wrap kitambo because I was so curious, and then the box ikapotezwa. So this is the skirt. It looks like this. Yeah, it's a fancy skirt, and I'll show you what I was thinking my style to be for this one. I was trying to style it, and I'm coming up. I'm styling it with a black top and black boots. So I'll be back. So I decided to pair it this way, and then I have a boot on. Let me go outside so that you might see it, and then tell me if that's I've styled it the right way, or if you have some tips for me to spice up the style, just tell me. So this is it with my black boots. I don't know how. Okay, let me try doing it this way. So this way. I hope you have seen the all of it. Tell me, comment down below. This way. For going to church. Yeah. Don't mind about the bra. I haven't worn it because I was in a hurry to shoot, but I'm sure if I wear a bra, it will look better. We are ready for supper. On a lot of soap, and yeah, then we sleep. The next day will come, inshallah.